Adroit is the latest German innovation in the world of gold and metal detection, combining high precision with a lightweight, ergonomic design. Its optimal weight and compact build give users the freedom to carry and handle it effortlessly in any type of environment or terrain. The device is powered by advanced RSPU technology, exclusively developed by Vertex Detectors, allowing users to locate and identify targets from long distances with outstanding accuracy. Inside the durable carrying case, you'll find the main control unit, a fast wall charger, noise-canceling headphones for clear signal audio, long-range antennas for directional scanning, plus the user manual and official warranty card. Adroit features a powerful rechargeable battery with a USB-C charging port, lasting up to 12 hours on a single charge. The battery is user-removable and can be quickly installed or replaced, making sure your exploration never gets interrupted. The device itself features a sleek, modern, German-engineered design, built from tough yet ultra-light materials, delivering both durability and flexibility in real-world use. The user interface is clean and easy to operate, with clearly labeled buttons to manage all settings. Language selection. The device supports a range of international languages that can be chosen from. Brightness control, idle mode activation, sound and vibration settings, and a quick factory reset button. The display screen shows essential information like the current software version, device serial number, and total runtime hours. Adroit operates using 3 core detection modes. 1. RMS technique. This mode is designed to locate potential zones of interest using 2 powerful scanning options. Active scanning mode. Ideal for large open areas such as deserts, plains, and mountains. It captures even the weakest signals and directs the user toward the source. Passive mode. Ideal for high-interference environments such as cities, residential areas, or any location with strong electric fields and background noise. This mode is specifically designed to filter out static interference and electrical noise, allowing the device to isolate and focus only on real, valid signals, even in the most challenging conditions. Second, the ADRI technology, which allows for deep and precise area scans. It detects all potential targets within range and presents them in a clear interactive list on screen. Once the desired target is selected, the device begins guided tracking using smart directional tools, with audio cues, visual indicators, and precise directional guidance via built-in antennas and sensors. And after reaching the target point, the device starts measuring the depth and shows reports of the scanning operation. The MDRI technology lets you choose specific target types like gold, raw gold, silver, copper, and more, helping you narrow your search and avoid unwanted metals. You can set your detection range from 100 meters to 2,500 meters, and depth from 2 to 25 meters, based on your search needs. It also gives you control to fine-tune frequency for better accuracy in different terrains. During the search, Adroit guides you with smart audio signals and precise antenna movement, making sure you stay on track and hit the right targets with confidence. Always choose the special edition of the Adroit device, uniquely crafted for serious prospectors who demand the best in performance and reliability. Look for the Golden Guarantee seal, your assurance of premium support and authentic German engineering. Adroit, where smart detecting begins, with innovation you can trust.